Järgmisena tulevad teie ette tõuparimad koerad 3. rühmast, kuid kõigepealt palun aplaus kohtunik Veli-Pekka Kumpumägi. Ning Erdel Terrier, palun. Iiri pehmekarvaline nisuterrier. Ameerika Staffordshire terrier. Iiri terrier. Staffordshire bull terrier. Border terrier. Brasiilia terrier. Bull terrier. Welshi terrier. Parson Russelli terrier. Cairn terrier. Jack Russelli terrier. Inglise kääbus terrier. West Highlandi terrier. Šoti terrier. Skye terrier. Austraalia Seedi terrier. Austraalia terrier. Norwichi terrier. Teie ees on tänase päeva kõige kaunimad terrierid. Kõik tõuparimad koerad 6. rühmast teid oodatakse ringis number 1. All best of breed dogs from group number 6, please go to the ring number 1.
Straight and true. Cupid's arrows just for you. I even painted my toenails for you. I did it just the other day. Love, oh love, I gotta tell you how I feel about you. Cause I can go a minute without your love. Like a satellite, I'm in orbit all the way around you. And I would fall out into the night. Can go a minute
Ning kohtunik on palunud siit rühmast jätkama Ameerika Staffordshire terrieri, Iiri terrieri, Staffordshire bull terrieri, Welshi terrieri, Parson Russelli terrieri, Skye terrieri ning Austraalia Seedi terrieri.
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field. I wear my heart up on my sleeve like a big deal. Your love pours down on me, surround me like a waterfall. And there's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now. Stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now. stopping us right now. And there's no stopping us right now. And there's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now.
Neljas koht, 4th place, Sky Terrier.
This ain't gonna be easy. You got it.
Kolmas koht, 3rd place, Staffordshire Bull Terrier. Welshi Terrier on täna teine ning Iiri Terrier on täna kõige kaunim terrier.